multiple layers to ensure the welding job is strong enough. This short blasting machine was mainly designed for blast cleaning the textile machinery components, especially the big steel fabrication, especially the big steel fabrications with metal sheet. This short blasting machine layout with 4 blasting turbines in a square layout. In a square layout, you can see the blasting turbine set have 4 blasting turbines in this way. This kind of layout greatly increases the blasting efficiency and the blasting efficiency and the blasting area. You can see all the blasting machine, all the blasting machine main body was welded by high manganese steel plate. I will show. You can see the details for the welding job, our welding job for the blasting unit. The door design is very strong. The pneumatic control cylinders to automatically opening and closing the door. Even the abrasive dosing unit had 3 buffering pipes have welded together. This is the bucket elevator. It's welded together with the whole short blasting unit with a cyclone dust collector, and then it's the back-tap dust collector system. You can see the door inside the rubber liner, the thickness. This is the inside view. The whole short blasting unit without inside liner because the blasting chamber main body was bounded by high manganese steel plate, which